We live in a wonderful world that is full of beauty, charm, and adventure. There is no end to the adventures that we can have if only we seek them with our eyes open. Welcome to Dunn Waterfalls. Hey family, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Saphoya, and if it's the first time checking in, guys, welcome. My oh my, what a wonderful day. My morning started with the thrilling Blue Mountain bicycle tour and ended here at this melodious waterfalls. The base of the Acock Peak, an extinct volcano, where you find this beautiful waterfalls, Dunn. It got its name from community members. They say it is impossible for fish to get over the fall, so you would not find no fish at all at the top. Okay family, this waterfalls is the fountain of youth. Once you're in, you come out looking 10 years younger. This is why the lifeguard was telling me to wash my face with the water. Okay family, thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell, guys, for more content. Big up on yourself. See you soon. Bye.